Hello students, today we will solve the equation based on LCM. By taking LCM we will solve. As I have explained you, whenever you will solve this type of equation, what is the first step? Your first step is you will shift all your variables to the one side and all your constant term to the other side. So my first step is shifting, okay, transposing. So I will shift. This is x upon 5. This is already to the left hand side. This minus x upon 5 I will shift here. So it will become plus x upon 5. This equal to, think this is at the center point. Okay. On my right hand side 8 and 5, 8 upon 5. 8 upon 5 is to the right hand side and still it is to the right hand side. This plus 7 upon 5 I will shift from left hand side to right hand side. So whenever you shift, your sign gets changed. I shifted this minus x upon 5, so it become plus x upon 5, and this plus 7 upon 5 I have shifted, it become minus 7 upon 5. Okay. Now by taking LCM, what is LCM of 5 and 5? Okay, actually it is same number, so there is no need to take LCM. LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So next step, LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So I will write here x plus x. There will be no change in numerator. Here also same. LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So 8 minus 7. I will write 8 minus 7. X plus x will become 2x. 2x upon 5. And 8 minus 1. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. 1 upon 5. See, one method is also there. If you get equal to, okay, in denominator both the values are same, you can cut both the values. This is one method, and another method is cross multiplication. Okay, 5 multiplied by 2x, 5 2s are 10x, and 5 multiplied by 1, 5 1s are 5. So x is equal to 5 upon 10. When you reduce 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. I have cut it. So you will get 1 upon 2. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 1 upon 2. This is your final answer. Or if you cut 5 and 5, so what will be remaining? 2x equal to 1. What will be remaining? 2x equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. This way also you can get your answer. Okay. Now come on second question. Again our first step is shifting. So first of all I will shift 8 upon 9x, and this x upon 3 I will shift this side. So it will become minus x upon 3. You can write like this also. You can write directly 8x also. Okay. Equal to 1 upon 2. And this 15, minus 15 I will shift to the right hand side. So it will become plus 15. So as I have explained, in numerator it is 15 and in denominator it is nothing. So in denominator you can write 1. If you do not write, then also it is okay. Now next step. In next step what you have to do? You have to take LCM. See, here numbers are different. 9 and 3, 2 and 1. That means you have to take LCM. So what is LCM of 9 and 3? The LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. So LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. This step is very important. Now you have to count how many times your LCM 9. Okay, I am writing here. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. How many times your LCM 9 will come in table of 9? 1 times. So you multiply 8x by 1. This is the method. How many times this 9 will come in table of 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 times. So this x will be multiplied by 3. Same way you will do here also. What is LCM of 2 and 1? LCM of 2 and 1. When you take LCM of 2 and 1, what you will get LCM? 2. How many times 2 will come in table of 2? 1 time. So your numerator will be multiplied by 1 plus how many times this LCM 2 will come in table of 1 two times. So this 15 will be multiplied by 2. Now multiply. You know that whenever you multiply any value by 1, you will get the same number. 8x into 1 is 8x minus x into 3 is 3x upon 9. 1 ones are 1 and 15 twos are 30 upon 2. Now 30 plus 1 is 31. Okay, 30 plus 1 is 31. Here direct you can write 31 also. 8x minus 3x. 8x minus 3x is 5x. So I am writing here 5x upon 9 equal to 31 upon 2. See here, now same number is not there. That means you have to cross multiply. 2 5s are 10. You will get here 10x. And 31 multiplied by 9. 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So x is equal to 279 divided by 10. Okay. So finally you can write this in mixed fraction. X is equal to 279 by 10 divided. How many times it will come? 10 to the 20, 10 7 the 70, remainder 9 upon 10. This is your final answer. You know division? 279 divided by 10. 10 2s are 20, then 7 9 79, 10 7 is 70 and remainder 9. So I have written this value as in mixed fraction. Okay, this is your solution.